Having a problem with your Insignia TV that keeps turning on by itself, don't assume the power button is broken. In most cases, something is sending a wake-up signal to the TV, and the fix is usually much simpler than replacing any hardware. First, start with the remote. A stuck power button or weak batteries can send random commands without you even noticing. Remove the batteries for a while and see if the problem stops. Next, check any devices connected through HDMI, like a Fire TV stick, Roku, game console, or cable box. Many of these use HDMI-CEC, a feature that lets one device turn on another automatically. If one of those devices wakes up to check for updates, it can also wake your TV. Try turning HDMI-CEC off in your TV settings or disable it on the connected device, then test it for a day or two. This is one of the most common causes of TVs powering on by themselves. After that, look for any timer settings. If a power-on timer or scheduled wake feature was accidentally enabled, the TV may switch on at the same time every day. Turn off any automatic power-on schedules if you find them. It's also worth checking for a software update. Firmware bugs can occasionally cause strange power behavior, and installing the latest update may resolve it. If the problem started after changing settings, a factory reset is another good option before assuming the TV has a hardware fault. If your Insignia TV still turns on by itself, after trying all of these steps, the issue may be inside the TV, such as a failing power board or mainboard. At that point, the problem usually isn't something that can be fixed through settings, and the TV may need professional repair.